Good morning. I'd like to start by asking you to imagine. Imagine you're 20 years into the future. You're woken up bright and early, excited about the day. But when you look out your window, the sight that greets you is not so exciting. The air is heavy with smog, it's hazy, and everything is grey. Now, this might sound like an exaggeration, but it is a strong possibility if we do not transition away from fuels that are harming our environment to those that are making it greener. Our research is based on one such crucial green fuel, hydrogen. Hydrogen is an excellent fuel source because it's abundant and it does not produce greenhouse gases at any point of its use. The question is, how do we produce hydrogen? For that, we use a technique called seawater electrolysis. In this method, we have a beaker filled with seawater that we collected from Galveston Bay. We have two electrodes connected to a power supply. When the power supply is turned on one end, we have electrons being released to produce oxygen. This is oxygen evolution reaction, OER. And on the opposite side, we have electrons being absorbed to produce hydrogen. This is hydrogen evolution reaction, or HER. When OER and HER happen simultaneously, we can split water into oxygen and hydrogen gases, and this hydrogen can then be harvested and used as fuel. But this process by itself is extremely cumbersome. Therefore, we use a material called a catalyst that is coated on top of these electrodes. Our catalysts can speed up or increase the rate of a reaction. Our research has developed catalysts that were synthesized within just 15 minutes at room temperature. This is a huge achievement because traditional synthesis methods require high temperature, high pressure, and up to 12 hours of synthesis time. Our catalysts are also resilient under corrosive seawater environment, and they have been proven to be stable for long periods of time under industrial conditions. We believe that this is the technology of the future. With our catalysts, we'll be able to make the whole fuel infrastructure more affordable, accessible, and safe, so that 20 years from now, when you look out that window, the sight that greets you is all green and not grey. Thank you.